Hi, my name is Sharan, and my project is based on a mold that I designed, which is capable of producing one unique vase for every person on Earth. And in order to do that, I built a mold that has 14 different pieces that I can rearrange in whatever order I want. And I chose this number because this creates roughly 6.3 billion different options to rearrange the mold in unique ways, and that correlates to the current world population. In my practice, I want not only to design but also to produce my designs, so I'm committed to produce each one of these myself, and in that way the edition is limited by the time that I still have on this planet and by my ability to produce, but not by any arbitrary number. I start my process designing a 3D model on the computer, and then I use a CNC router to create a real-world negative made of foam. Eventually, this will become a production mold made of plaster. Each time I want to cast a piece, I would rearrange the plaster mold pieces in a different order, and I keep a record to make sure that I'm not repeating the same permutation ever again. Finally, the vase is fired, then glazed, then fired again in these kilns.
So I think where the project is most significant, where the work is most significant in my mind, is where the idea of kind of mass customization versus something being serially produced, and the conceptual aspect of it being pinned to the population of the world. It's interesting that your work was based a lot on digital fabrication in the development of this, and then this now folds back into something which is really not really a byproduct of digital fabrication, but about the fundamental underpinning process that is so current. I think that's one of the most beautiful things about it.